Let me show you how you can create a UK bank account, right? A UK US bank account for those that want to withdraw their money on their monetized UK TikTok account. So this video is for you. A lot of people are asking me, how can they withdraw their money? Come closer, watch this video. I have put everything together that will help you to withdraw your money from your monetized UK TikTok to your UK bank account, and you can change this money to your local currency. So make sure you share this video. All right, make sure you share this video, keep sharing the video. So let's go to my screen, let me show you how you can do all that. So let's go there.
So this is what you're going to do. So after downloading it, so the next thing you are going to do here is continue with English. And if you have other language that you know how to speak, so you can decide to continue with the language. So I'm going to continue with English, right? So they are going to say here, so create your free account, right? So because I don't have account before, so I'm going to create. So I'll click on create. So they are going to ask me my country. What country do you live in? So I'm going to select Nigeria here. So, and I'm going to, create, confirm you have a valid for Nigeria. Only document issue from Nigeria will be accepted for verification. Proceed. So I'll click on proceed. So they are going to ask me, how am I going to sign up with this? So I can decide to go with email for easy access for me. So now after continuing with my email, so this is what they are asking me. So they are asking me first name at as the name appears exactly on my ID. So what I'm going to do here. Then if you want a referral code, use this referral code I'm showing you so that you can easily get approved. Then I'll click on continue. So what do you want to use Pay for? Get a visual card for online shopping, manage and track my expenses. So I'm going to get a foreign account to receive, wait invoice to receive payment. So these are what I'm going to do. So I'll select this and money abroad, dollar-based investments. I'm going to like click on submit. I'm going to click on allow. Alright, Simon, help us speak your language. So I'm going to click on the English. So set your all-in-one PIN. So secure and easy. So quick transaction. So I'm going to create a PIN. So I'll do PIN. Click on continue. Create a PIN again. Click on continue. Welcome to Gray. So I'm going home now. Alright, so here you can see that in this Gray, these are the accounts that you can have with this Gray. Alright, so look at it. You have United States, you have British accounts, you have Europe, you have Nigeria. If you are using a UK TikTok account, then you can decide to choose account from here, this British pounds, to add it to it. Or US, you can decide. If you are anywhere in the Europe, like Italy, Germany, Spain, you can decide to use the Europe account, right? Make sure you share this video because there are people who need to watch this video. Right, so now this is it. Bill and airtime. You can do bill and airtime. Gift card, invoice. Maybe you have a business there. You can decide to do. And so if you want to get get your US bank account, then click on it. Then all I just have to do is proceed to verify my KYC. So I will just go like this. Then they are going to ask me home address. Then I will just say
So after providing my accurate information, my account was verified. Your account has been verified. So you can see, so I passed the KYC. All right. So this is very, very easy process. So you can see I can
decide to choose any account I want now. So let me go for like the British. You can get the US or UK or any of the accounts, right? So I'm going to go for this one. So get a UK account. So confirm your name. So this is it. These are my name. So now they ask me, what do I need the account for? So I'm going to say a freelancer. So here they are going to ask me, what's your occupation? So for those of you that are for TikTok, you can say you are a content creator or artist, actress, actor, something like that. You can decide to. So look at that second one after accountant. You can see actor, actress here. So you can choose that one. But for me, I'm going to choose. I just want to see if content creator is there. So for those of you guys, but for me, I'm going to choose the software engineer because that's what I do, right? So content creating is just my side hustle and something I really love so much. All right, so make sure you share this video. Very, very important. So this is it. So I enter software engineer, and here they ask me which platform I work with. Then I'm going to choose Google AdSense because I work with Google AdSense, and they are asking for a URL, a website link. So, but this is not the okay. They are asking how much you make. So since you don't know the specific amount you make, you can decide to pick the higher one. So let me go to my LinkedIn and copy the URL so I can paste it there. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. So I'll click on the three dot and see. So I'm going to click on where it says share via. So I'll click on there, I'll copy the link, then go back to the app and paste. So I will delete this one that is there, which is, then paste. Paste. All right, so this is it. So I'll go, your account is ready. All right, so now the same account is ready. I don't have any money in it. So I'm going to check and see the accounts, right? So I'm just trying to look for how you can add money on it. So you can see they say add viewer stable coins, fund your US bank with USDD, arrives in 1 to 5 minutes, add bank transfer so that somebody can send USDDC coin to you. This is the method of receiving it. So this is the method of receiving it. You can see it from there, right? So you can see it from there. And let's go to the UK. So the UK has two methods of funding, and which is it? So this is it. So if you are looking for your account, my account number is supposed to be here, but I think I need like some minutes before I can get it. So I think let's just wait. So I'm just trying to check for my account number. My account number is not ready yet, but in a few minutes it's going to be ready. So let's just be patient. It's going to be ready in a few minutes. So maybe I should check my email and see since it's not here. All right, so
The
I
video you
got a
just watched, if you
notification
found
right
that
now.
video
So you see,
useful,
Simon, your
make sure
new
you subscribe, follow me for
GB
more video
account
like this,
details.
and
So they
like,
send
and
me
don't
an email.
forget to share.
So now
No
you can
pass
see
like
your
that.
new GB account details. So this is